Good morning, students. Today we will read Lesson 4, The Enemy, written by Perles Burke. Perles Burke was an American writer and novelist. She had a Chinese name, Sai Zhenzu, as she spent her childhood in China being the daughter of missionaries. She was awarded the Pulitzer Prize in 1932 and the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1938. The main characters in the story are as follows. Dr. Sadao Hogi is a Japanese doctor trained by Americans. Sadao's father is much concerned about Sadao's education and he is a true patriot. He liked only the Japanese things in his house. Hana is the wife of Dr. Sadao. She met Sadao in America and both of them became friends, and after that they got married in Japan. Tom is the name of an American prisoner of war, a soldier of US Navy. Another character is Old General. He is a sick Japanese army general, needed an operation, and he trusted only Dr. Sadao. He didn't trust on any other surgeon. Then another character is an officer, a messenger of the general. And then another character is a gardener, old gardener in the house of Dr. Sadao. Another character is a cook. And also one more important character is Yami, the maid servant. So these are about the characters of the story. Now, I'll tell you the story in nutshell. It's about a Japanese surgeon whose name is Sadao. He studies in America and marries a Japanese girl. World War II broke during that time. All the doctors were under the obligation to go to the Japanese army. However, Dr. Sadao stayed back with an old general. As the old general was ailing, he was in need of Sadao. However, we learned that how an American Navy man finds his way in Sadao's life. As the surgeon was not well, Sadao offers him medical help. He was not willing to help the enemy, but he does. He does so because he wanted to perform his duty as a doctor. He also knows the danger he has got himself into by helping the enemy. Due to this, Dr. Sadao conspires to kill the soldier in his sleep. However, Sadao decides to save him because of humanity and brotherhood. So this is in nutshell, I have told you the story. Now I'll tell you the meanings of the difficult words which are used in this lesson. Haroi, a loose outer garment worn over kimono. And kimono is a traditional Japanese garment. Heedlessly means carelessly, staggered, walked unsteadily as if about to fall, spiked, covered with sharp points, tended, cared, solemn, serious, beachcomber, the persons who search the precious articles on the beaches, sea moss, a kind of seaweed, seagrass, stewed, to be scattered untidily over a place, moaned, a low cry in pain, stupor, a state of unconsciousness, staunch, to stop or restrict the flow of blood from a wound. Repulsion, a strong dislike, inert, motionless, vitality, energy, life, menace, danger, stubbornness, firm determination, fierce, dangerous, resistance, the refusal to accept or comply with something, conviction, firm belief, impulsively to do something suddenly without thinking, rugs, blanket, blunt, ebbing, decreasing, chilled, freeze due to cold weather, anesthetic, a substance that induces insensitivity to pain. superficial, existing on the surface, retching, vomiting, propped, sussed. Anatomy, the branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals. Cardinal means basic. Precise, accurate incision, surgical cuts. Quivered, trembled, muttered, spoke. Hypodermic, injection, thrust, pushed. Fluttered, trembled, marred, spoiled. Contemptuously, disrespectfully, wisteria vine, a flowering plant for decoration. Traitor, a person who betrays his country. Impulsive, sudden. Assuage means to decrease. Dismayed, shocked, unaccustomed labor, not used to perform hard work. Gasping, struggling to breathe. Assassins, professional killers. So these are some of the words, difficult words which are used in this lesson. You should go through this lesson, and again in the next video I will be telling you the story in detail. Till then, read it. Thank you.